Kari, I listen to you all the time on Halftime. Did you just put all your clients' money into Moderna and Tesla and let it ride, and now you're going to sail away on your giant solid gold yacht?
Well, I might like to sail away, but we didn't put all of the money, although we do own some names that have been up incredibly strongly, and we own Peloton. So I think that's a great list, and I'm glad you brought it up.
Are you surprised that Peloton has continued to do so well? The gyms are reopening, but I guess if you bought a bike and you're paying the, what, 39 or 49 bucks a month, you're not going back to the gym because you're already kicking the money in for something else.
Well, I think Peloton obviously benefited from COVID and people staying in, need to exercise, no gyms. But there's a huge market out there for people who either didn't belong to a gym or aren't going back to their gym. And I think that technology is fantastic they have. I think it's a very, very long runway. And that stock can be earning, $3 or $4 a share in a few years. It's 120. The stock, had a sort of little dive. It went from 160 to 100. We bought stock there. Then it came back. It went down to the low 80s, where we added to it again, and now it's 122. And precisely because this can roll out as a platform company. It's not just bike, it's any kind of exercise, stretching, meditation, yoga, running outside, and they're the leader in the field, and we think that field is going to be enormous.
And they've got that moat a little bit in that subscription model as well. All right, let's move on past tech, Kari. I want to talk about two things near and dear to your investing heart, and that is trash and paint. Waste Management and Sherwin-Williams. What a pair.
Exactly. Yeah, so Sherwin-Williams has been a very good stock. And, of course, housing is big, and people spent a lot of last year remodeling their house or buying a new house and fixing that up. And their inflation protection. So they were able to raise price 7% recently, passing on the costs of raw materials. And paint is not a big factor when you talk about the entire cost of a house or renovating a house. Same with Waste Connection. I mean, it's not as if you need them for renovation, but you do have contracts with municipality. Waste Connection serves smaller cities, not the very largest, and half of their contracts have inflation-connected links. So they're able to raise prices if they see inflation. It's a utility-like return, very strong, and we like the stock here.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.